Reminder, this month's giveaway is still going on. There's 4 decks that you can win. 4 of them. Enter while you can. It's not in this video, it's in another video. Go watch that one if you haven't done so already. Oh god, okay, start the video.
So today is Go Skate Day, and well, I was gonna go skate, but then this happened. Yeah, as you can tell, I broke my deck, and I don't have another one. I could make a custom one, but what I'm gonna do in this video is just work on the skate ramp. At least that's similar to skating, not really, because I'm not actually doing anything besides building, but it needs to be done. I would say close to 90% done with it. So that's what we're gonna do today, is just play with it, fix it, and then eventually I'll get a new deck. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Future me here interrupting today's video because I decided to go ahead and make my custom skateboard. I was originally gonna wait and purchase a deck or talk to Concrete Party Skateboards and see if they can send me another deck, which they are, but I could not wait and I went ahead and built this deck here. So stay until the end of today's video so you can see how it was made, and let's just jump right back into the video. So you might have noticed I left the gap all the way right here. That is so I can put a little coping on this. And over here, I didn't cut it all the way flush yet because I want to be able to have some adjustment room if I need to pull this whole side forwards. But this will do for now until I can get that rail in here. And we're gonna do the same thing to that side and that side. I just have to put some more 2x4s there to actually support it. But this whole side, pretty much done. All I need is a rail for it.
you've already seen a sneak peek, but here it is. I am so happy. I want to see if I can actually get the reflective part to show on camera this time. I didn't do it last time, but this is so sick, and there's actually a reason for this blue and the pink tone, and I'll show you that in just a second. I just want to see if I can get the reflective bit. So I turn off all the lights in the room, and then here's my flashlight. See? That's the reflective bit of it. Reflective, no reflective. Reflective, no reflective. It's so cool! I love it. This is my favorite design. Okay, back to the video. As you can tell, blue and pink are two of my favorite colors. So that's one reason why I went with the blue and pink theme. Also, this is a Nissan Skyline, as you can tell from the lettering and the look of the car. I own this car. It's one of my JDM dream vehicles, and we're going to be building it on the YouTube channel. The reason I went with the blue and pink theme on that board was because I'm hinting at something that is inside of this box. It's a comp turbo. It's massive, and I'm going to show it to you in today's video because I keep showing you other sneak peeks. I just haven't shown you the turbo yet. So this turbo is blue with a pink turbine wheel. So this is my blue and pink turbo to match the blue and pink Nissan Skyline skate deck. Now just because my massive turbo is blue and pink does not mean the rest of the car will. I just wanted to kind of give you a sneak peek of what's to come and give you an idea of what the turbo will look like. The rest of the car is probably going to stay its white color, but I might do a Fast and the Furious design. I don't know yet. We'll see in the future. Originally, I didn't even have plans to make this board. It kind of just happened. I was just going to wait and order a deck or get one from Concrete Party Skateboards, which they are sending me another one. I just couldn't wait and had to do it. Speaking of Concrete Party Skateboards, we are kind of partnering up together. I've mentioned this a couple times in another video, but we're going to be trying to change the way skateboards are made or innovate the skate industry. So most decks are made with a heat transfer, and that's very expensive for a small business owner or an up-and-coming business owner to get their hands on and produce. It's a lot more difficult. So what Concrete Party does is they apply a protective layer of vinyl over top of their deck, which helps protect the graphic and then also makes it a lot more slippery whenever you're doing grinds or board slides. It just protects your graphic overall. As you can tell, I have a little bit of tears here, tear here, and sliding tears here, which is all going to be normal from just a regular skate deck, but this is supposed to be a little bit more durable and last a little bit longer than a traditional skate graphic would. I was going to put the graphic to the test, but I ended up breaking it because I've gained a lot of weight and I'm not okay with that. I broke it doing a board slide, and that's literally because I've gained a lot of weight over the past year thanks to COVID, and I really need to get back into skating, so I'm kind of self-conscious about it. But Concrete Party Skateboards is absolutely awesome. They're going to be sending us a new one here pretty soon. One for you guys, I believe, to give away, and then one for me to skate again. That way I can actually get back out there and go skate. In the meantime, keep a lookout for the next video where I actually put this together and I build it, because I do want to go skate again. Even though I love this deck and I would love to display it or even put it in my car and take it to car meets, I can always make another one. But I am very proud of this one. It's probably my most favorite, but I need to go skate. So it's either this or put together one of my old scrap decks, and none of them have the concave that I need or want, versus this, as you can tell, has some really good concave, So I figured, let's just skate one of my decks again. That's enough talking, we're done. I'm sorry, I know this video has gone on long enough, but thank you to those who stayed till the end to watch this video and this quick little update. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the content, leave a thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, I host monthly giveaways, so if you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed, you need to make sure you do so, especially on this month's giveaway, because we're giving 4 decks away that look something like this. So if you didn't watch that video, make sure you watch that video. Okay, that's it. I promise that's the end of the video. I'm sorry for keeping you guys so long. I will see y'all on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later.